ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this correction. And we have been looking to see the breakout of 4030. As we can see, the price broke. And since the price was within this range, we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And we mentioned if you get any opportunity as a flag or a small correction. And we had the second opportunity based on 1 hour chart to look for trade. And for those traders, they get a trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even, because the next level and the most important things right now we're looking for to see the breakout of the 4385 4.4k. All right, because the 4.4 or 4.4385 is the all-time high. We need to see the breakout of that. All right, that means if I move to daily chart right now, based on daily chart, we're looking to see the breakout of the previous top, which is the all-time high, is 4.4k with the breakout of the 4.4, which the exact value is 4385. The next level, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 4.6. With the breakout of the 4.6, then we can expect the price even continue, and even we can look for 5.4. All right. Anyway, even if you refer to the indicators, we can see the divergence in relative to this move. All right, because if we put this top in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence as well as here, even based on forward chart. But at this point, we don't need to really care about that. The only thing is whether the price can break for previous top all-time high or not, right? For sure, whenever we see the divergence, we can expect to see the reversal or a deeper correction. But at this point, we're looking for continuation. All right, but if there is a continuation with the breakout of the all-time high, that's why we mentioned we need to see the breakout of the all-time high. If the price broke, then we can expect to see the correction similar to what we have here, if the divergence is still there. All right, it depends. Anyway, we're looking for continuation, and as I see, we need to see the breakout of all-time high. And if you move to forward chart, even we have nothing else to discuss, and the best, even based on forward chart, if you put this top in relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we see in the bigger picture, we have a divergence. This is what we explained based on daily chart. If you put this top in relative to the previous one, all right? But as I say, at this time, we're looking to see the breakout of the all-time high. We are not really care about the divergence because we are not looking for the reversal, all right? And if I move to 1 hour chart, we have, as I say, for those traders, they get a trade from here, move their stop loss to break even, and we are not going to look for the next trade as long as the price haven't break the all-time high. With the breakout of the all-time high, if it followed by a flag or correction, this is where we could look for the next trade. All right, and I remove this one, we don't need it. With the breakout of the all-time high, as I say, if it followed by a flag or correction, this is where we can take the next trade. But for me, as long as the price haven't break the all-time high within this range, I'm not going to look for trade. Even if we get the flag or correction, if you want to look for trade, we need to be really careful. All right, because if the price couldn't it couldn't break, it can follow by deeper correction for continuation. This is the only reasons we are not going to look for buy. All right, and mostly we cannot get any trade set up. The only thing is we are waiting to see the breakout. Any correction flag from there, we will take the next trade. And for those traders, they get the trade from here, move the stop loss to break even. At least they need to watch out. If the price couldn't break and reverse, at least they should know how to manage it. Anyway, with the breakout of 4.4, the next level as a short term, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 4.6. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.